Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your BMW X5 headlights. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring optimal visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. We will go through a simple, step-by-step process. First, gather your tools and prepare your vehicle by parking it on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. Also, check your tire pressure for accuracy. Now, let's prepare your aiming target. With your BMW X5 facing the wall, mark the exact center of each headlight beam on the wall with tape. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Then, draw a new horizontal line on the wall, precisely 2 inches below your initial center marks. This lower line will be your target for the low beam cutoff. With your aiming target ready, it's time to find the adjustment screws. Open your BMW X5's hood to reveal the headlight units. You'll typically find 2 main adjustment screws for each headlight. One screw controls the vertical aim, usually located on the top of the headlight housing. The other screw manages the horizontal aim, often found on the side. Refer to your owner's manual if you have trouble locating them. Now for the final adjustment. Using your screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw to bring the top edge of the low beam's brightest part down to the lower horizontal line you drew. Next, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam precisely on the vertical mark. Repeat for both headlights. Once adjusted, take your BMW X5 for a drive on a dark road to ensure the beams are correctly aimed and provide optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.